Okay,
So,
all
hello
audible.
everyone. This initially we are calling the packages, all the required packages for data reading, processing, and connecting to MongoDB via client. Uh, we are reading the first data set, country wise latest, and doing some data cleaning part, renaming the columns and all. We are doing data analysis and checking the data. There is no missing values. No data distribution for numerical data set, along with the pair plots. Then we are checking through the world map the trends of the deaths all over the world. And then we're checking the bar chart through a bar chart graph for all the categorical and numerical features. Same activity we are performing for all the 6 files in terms of distribution. If I go down, so we have created one database, big data. Okay, and then through we are connected through MongoDB client. We are connecting to big data, and then we are inserting each of the data frame into this big data. Okay, each of the 6 data sets. Post that we are, as per the questions we are answering over here also, along with we are also answer in the Mongo shell the answers for all the 12 questions. So these are the answers. Question 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the 11th and 12th one.